Today on the Garden Fix, I'd like to share with you something really special. Hi and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. So today I want to share with you something that our neighbor did that was probably one of the nicest things anybody has ever done for Christin and me. And that is, we got a collection of books for our garden. Yes, so what am I talking about? Our amazingly talented neighbor, who is obviously an artist, asked us about a month or two ago what our favorite books were. And she, with her creative ability, took bricks and she designed these bricks to look like books. And we have a collection of them now in our garden, and I'm going to show them to you right now. So first off, you should know that I am a huge fan of J.R.R. Tolkien and the Lord of the Rings series, and I told my neighbor that that is the book that is my favorite and that series, and she produced those on brick. And look at these. Are these beautiful or what? What detail on these. Now these are hand painted and they have a coating on them that will keep them waterproof in rain. And I decided to set them in this garden right here. Looks like a bookshelf in my mind. So when you're sitting here, looks like you're in a beautiful garden with a little bit of a library. So just let me tell you this before you start asking. She does not want to sell these books. She doesn't want to make money off them. She only makes them when she's really inspired and for her friends. So we are feeling really lucky right now. Also, I'm pretty sure that she can't sell them because of copyright violation stuff. So, but boy, they are amazing. So we have another one back here by our wishing well, and she designed a book that looks like a little keepsake book. This is beautiful. It looks really nice here by our wishing well. Now I will tell you that Christin is a Pilates instructor, and she has her own channel, by the way, that has a lot of followers. If you want to follow her, I'll put the link in the description. So our neighbor made a few books that Christin had read about Joseph Pilates, and we set them right here by this little raised bed, and they're so realistic. Look at the detail on these. So as you come near our little fish pond, you'll find a really unique book, one of Christin's favorites, which is Eyre. And it really looks fantastic. Again, I'll show you the amazing detail on this. And it really goes well in front of this little sitting area by our pond. And last but not least, underneath our redbud tree by our glider, we have a version of the Holy Bible, King James Version. Look at the detail on this. Alright guys, thanks a lot for joining me here. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Click the notification bell too if you are a subscriber, that way you know when we have a new video. And follow us on Instagram if you want to. And until next time, I'll see you in the garden.